What's going on, my peoples? Welcome back to the channel, man. So right now, man, I am headed over to the paint shop. The Camaro is done and ready for pickup, so I'm gonna grab that. I'm so excited to see what that's gonna look like. I've already got kind of like a sneak preview of it, kind of semi put together, but it's gonna be solid, whole new lights, new, you know, hood and all this good stuff, man. So I'm definitely gonna give y'all that visual, that peek of that. God, dog, my boy behind me is racing in this truck right now. Had me scared, had me shaking over here just then. But anyways, so I should be pulling up at the shop, man, within the next 10 minutes, man. So I'm definitely let y'all see what's going on with that. I'm excited. I can't wait to get in that thing, man. Also, got some things popping off with the SS. About done with that as well, man. So my goal is to try to get it into a muffler shop next week or the week after that, depending on what my money look like. You know what I mean? Hey, cats ain't rich over here, but I got, you know, a trip that's going down this weekend. I know I'm gonna be spending some money there, and I've already been spending some money to get ready for that trip. So it's a lot of money dumping happening right now. But yeah, man. So we're gonna definitely get the mufflers done. I got the headers on, got the cross member on it, got the underbody painted. What else? Got a new carburetor on. Put the starter back up. Got the gas tank dropped, put the new sending unit in, painted the gas tank, put the gas tank back up, so everything looks pretty good underneath the car, and it's looking pretty good like throughout the car. So I'm gonna give y'all a preview of that. We're gonna, you know, kind of go over some things with that. The only thing I got left with the SS that I need to do, so I gotta do the oil change, and I gotta put the new spark plug wires on. So I got that, just kind of like waiting at the house. So I plan on doing that today too. So we're gonna get that footage. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. Ooh, that way you can stay alert to all the new drops. That's how out of touch I am, man. I can't even say the lines like I'm supposed to say the lines, you did. But we're gonna get back at you, as soon as we pull up. And we back. Woo, it looks sick, man. This looks sick, man. So I ain't gonna even hold it up. Let y'all see what's going on with it. That hood is sick. Peoples, and we back, man. So finally I got the Camaro back in the driveway, man. So I'm about to get at the back on the SS. She did. So Camaro out there looking good, man. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. Let's go and get back at her. We gotta get this done before I do. So I've already took off the valve covers. Let me get some light for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Hold on. All right, so I've already taken the valve covers off. I'm gonna clean them up using this bad boy here. You know what I'm saying? So got all the old gasket make, old gasket make off of there. So new gaskets are right there. Yeah, I gotta clean up. So new gaskets right here. Got some gasket maker that I'm gonna apply to this first. We're gonna put that on, we're gonna let it dry, sit for a day. And then I'm gonna slide these bad boys back on tomorrow. You did, so. But we're making strides, man. We're making strides. I gotta do some cleaning up, do some cleaning. But after we get that back on, We're gonna get the new wires, which they somewhere around here. I don't know where I'm gonna put stuff at, y'all. They somewhere around here in somebody's box. These are the old wires. And we're not going back with this bracket. I bought some brand new brackets that we're gonna go with. Dang, where did I put the wires? Where did I put the wires? Sheesh, right there. Alright. So, they're all brand new MSD wires. And these are the new rotary brackets that we're gonna use to go on there. So I'm gonna put that right here. And that's the gasket maker. We're gonna go and get started, man. Get this thing knocked out, man. So stay tuned. I'm working, y'all. I'm working. If I get this back in order, this bad boy gotta go to the muffler shop. We're gonna get the mufflers. I'm gonna order. I'm probably gonna end up going with thrush mufflers. But to be on the safe side, I'm gonna do thrush mufflers and I'm gonna do band clamps to hold it on. Just so I can see what it sound like, you know what I mean, with the 3 inches, this, that, and the third. And if I'm not pleased with it, that way it'll be easier just to take it back off, and then I'm gonna just go back with Flowmasters 40s. Yeah, that's gonna be the deal. And then with the thrush mufflers, man, to be honest with you, they so inexpensive, it wouldn't even be like a money loss situation, man. I can probably get the mufflers for about $70 for the whole set. So it ain't gonna be no big deal. But I'm thinking they're gonna sound good. 87 SS boy got them on his, and his car sound damn good, you know what I mean? So I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to get that same type of sound out of mine, and we're gonna go on forward, you did. So let me get back to work, man. I'm gonna come back with that finished product, show y'all what we got, and then that's gonna be that, man. Muffler shop it is, and that's gonna be that next vid, you did. So stay tuned. Alright, man, so we got the valve cover sitting. Got it sitting. So I'm gonna let this dry overnight. The other one over there drying. So we're gonna get it back on, man. That's gonna be nothing. Screw them joints down. Don't over tighten. You already know what time it is. So, alright, man. We'll come back to y'all tomorrow when I'm getting it down. The rest of the day I'm about to go and enjoy myself. You did, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we back solid. We're gonna turn that music down. So, got the wires going. Everything plugged up where it's supposed to. Same thing on this side, valve covers on as well. So, got the wires going. We good, man. Go ahead and start putting things back in order. Do a few other things. Let me see, this is gonna go here. And then we're gonna start getting this thing cleaned up. We did. Let me see, this damn thing go like this some way, somehow. You figure it out. Oh, there we go. Alright. Just a little bit. Down there. Alright, so that go there. Just need to start spraying some stuff down, getting things cleaned back up. Let's put this cap back on. No. Gotta keep that fender protector. So I'm going to put this cap back on and screw this cap down. Finish everything.